नमस्कार बालक और बालिकाओं।
Activity number M1 1 to 50 numbers. Part 2. What comes between? What comes between 28 and 30? 29 comes between 28 and 30. What comes between 16 and 18? 17 comes between 16 and 18. What comes between 47 and 49? 48 comes between 47 and 49. What comes between 35 and 37? 36 comes between 35 and 37. What comes between 11 and 13? 12 comes between 11 and 13. What comes between 21 and 23? 22 comes between 21 and 23. What comes between 32 and 34? 33 comes between 32 and 34. What comes between 25 and 27? 26 comes between 25 and 27. What comes between 13 and 15? 14 comes between 13 and 15. What comes between 45 and 47? 46 comes between 45 and 47. What comes between 38 and 40? 39 comes between 38 and 40. What comes between 42 and 44? 43 comes between 42 and 44. What comes between 20 and 22? 21 comes between 20 and 22. What comes between 49 and 51? 50 comes between 49 and 51. What comes between 36 and 38? 37 comes between 36 and 38. What comes between 15 and 17? 16 comes between 15 and 17. What comes between 23 and 25? 24 comes between 23 and 25. What comes between 44 and 46? 45 comes between 44 and 46. What comes between 41 and 43? 42 comes between 41 and 43. What comes between 31 and 33? 32 comes between 31 and 33. What comes between 18 and 20? 19 comes between 18 and 20. What comes between 24 and 26? 25 comes between 24 and 26? What comes between 39 and 41? 40 comes between 39 and 41. What comes between 48 and 50? 49 comes between 48 and 50. Very good. Well done. If you want to try this activity, then you can take screenshots of these pictures.
If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share. Namaskar.